Hello guys! In this video we're gonna focus on the many different ways of finding the area of triangles. Let's remember types of triangles from 7th grade. It divides by side and by angle. By side it can be equilateral with 3 equal sides, isosceles with 2 equal sides, and scalene with no equal sides. By angle it can be acute, where angles less than 19 degrees. Also can be right triangle where one angle equals to 19 degrees, and obtuse where one angle more than 19 degrees. So in our first example, let's say that we have right triangle with base 10 and height 12. And to find the area we need a formula, and the area's formula equal to base multiplied height over 2. And let's use this formula. It will be equal 12 multiplied 10 over 2. And the answer will be 16 centimeters squared. Now let's say that we have an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle means that two sides are equal. And we have isosceles triangle with sides 5 and 5, and the base is 8. Because of this is an isosceles triangle, we can split it right in the middle, and it will be height. And the task says that we should find the area by using the same formula, and that's why we're gonna focus on the right side of the triangle, and it will be like this. This will be 4, because we split it on the middle. This will be 5, and this will be missing side. By using the Pythagorean theorem, we're gonna find the missing side, h. So 5 squared will be equal to 4 squared plus h squared. Because of 5 squared is a hypotenuse, and 4 and h are legs. And that will be 25 equal to 16 plus h squared. H squared will be 9 and h will be 3. And we find height of the triangle. And now we can find the area of the triangle, of the whole triangle, by using the formula that we used last time. And this formula is A equal to B multiplied H over 2. And our B is 8. Our height equal to 3 and over 2. And this will be 12 centimeters squared. And this is our answer. Now what about equilateral triangle? Let's say that we have equilateral triangle with sides are 10. We can find the area by finding the height, and we must just split the middle, and it will be 5 and 5. And we need to use Pythagorean theorem as tasked before, and it will be 10 squared equals to 5 squared plus h squared, and our height will be 5 square root of 3. And to find the area we use a formula, and that will be equal 10 multiple 5 square root of 3 over 2. And answer will be 25 square root of 3. So we can find the area by another way. When we have an equilateral triangle with same sides, we can use next formula. Area equals to a squared and square root of 3 over 4. And by using this formula, let's solve our example. Our A equals to 10. 10 squared multiplied square root of 3 over 4. This will be 100 multiplied square root of 3 over 4, and answer will be 25 square root of 3. Answers are the same, and this is our new formula. Now let's say that we have a scalene triangle where we have two values of two sides, let's A and B, and the included angle. It will be between of them. And to find the area of this triangle, we can use the formula that says 1 over 2 multiply two sides, A and B, and multiply sinus of the angle between two sides. And let's say that we have a scalene triangle where one side is 10, second is 15, and it will be 30. How can we find the area? Let's use this formula, and it will be 1 over 2 multiply 10 multiply 15 and multiply sine of 13th degree. And it will be equal 75 multiply sine of 30 degree is equal to 1 over 2, and the answer will be 37.5. And the area of this triangle is 37.5 centimeters squared. So let's find the area of a scalene triangle by another way. And this way is called Heron's formula. Heron's formula says that the area of triangle equal to square root of the multiplication of half perimeter with subtraction of half perimeter and every side. And it will be half perimeter minus A, half perimeter minus B, and half perimeter minus C. Let's say that we have a scalene triangle with sides like 9, 10, and 11. First thing that we need to do is find a half perimeter. For half perimeter, we will find in that way. Sum of every side over 2. And which will be in our, it will be 9 plus 10 plus 11 over 2. And it will be 15. Now let's use it. Area of triangle equal to square root of 15 with 15 minus 9, 15 minus 10, and 15 minus 11. It will be equal to 15 multiply 6 multiply 5 multiply 4. So it will be equal to square root of 15 is multiplication of 5 and 3. Multiple 6 is 2 and 3. 5 is 5. And 4 is 2, 2. And this will be equal 5 multiple 3 multiple 2 multiple square root of 2. And it will be equal 30 square root of 2 centimeter squared. This is our answer. So let's find the area of triangle by using inscribed circle. The radius is this. So and the formula will be like this. Area will be equal to half perimeter multiply radius. So, for example, let's say that we have a triangle with perimeter 20 centimeters and the radius is 6. So, we know that half perimeter is the sum of sides over 2. And sum of sides is equal to perimeter. That's why our half perimeter will be equal to 20 over 2. And this is 10 centimeters. And by using this formula, our area will be 10 multiplied 6, 16 centimeter squared. This is our answer. Let's find the area of the triangle by using its circumscribed circle. It means that the area of triangle will be equal to the ratio of product of the three sides of triangle, A, B, C, and 2, 4 multiply the circumradius. Let's say that the sides of triangle measure 8, 10, and 12. And radius is, for example, 16 square root of 7 over 7. And let's find the area of the triangle. By using this formula, it will be area equals to 8 equal to 10 equal to 12 over 4 multiply 16 square root of 7 over 7. This will be equal to 960 over 64 square root of 7, and this 7 will go to there. And it will be equals 15 multiplied 7 over square root of 7, and this will be equals to 15 square root of 7. Our goal is find the area of triangle. So we have the many different ways of it. Such like this, nowadays many people have their own goal and want the result. They have the many different ways, but if they lose persistent, they can't get result. So be persistent in your own way to your goal. And now you know about many different ways to find the area of triangles. Goodbye.